Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Ravi sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening to everyone. Okay. I'm sharing my PPT. I hope it is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Today's topic is mastering stress and effective strategies for stress management. Before I start my webinar, I would like to ask you people, what all problems do you have in your life? Is there any stress, any type of stress in the life? It is common, I know. There is stress at workplace also. There is a stress sometimes in a hurry worried to prepare our lessons. Everywhere there is stress. So how do you manage your stress? I would like to understand that. Before that, I will tell you about myself.
Ma'am, can I share myself?
Just let me introduce myself. I am Ravinder Kaur, AIF Master Trainer and NCTTC Resource Person. I am working as PGT in IS Public School at Bhopal. Now you were about to say something. Please speak.
Yes, ma'am. I will plan my work and everything I do. Whenever I feel more stress, my best therapy is my music.
Okay, ma'am.
I will listen to music and I'll watch old movies that gives me a lot of stress relief. This is my
Okay.
secret of
Very nice,
bursting
ma'am.
out my stress.
Yes.
Thank you.
Listening to music is very important
Can I?
for stress management. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Anupama Sharma, ma'am, please speak.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Are you going to say something? No, it's okay. So let us understand the stress. Stress is a natural response to the demands of life. You know, in our life, there are so many things we have to do, so many duties we have to fulfill, so much of work, planning, and executing those plans. Lots of things are there which they give us stress also. It can manifest as physical and emotional. But the thing is, the stress should not be so much that it affects our physical life and our mental well-being also. So impacting our overall well-being. Learning to manage stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Very important. Then only we can cope up in our life. Then only we can manage doing all the different things. Now, recognizing stress, we have to understand whether we are stressful or not. Identifying triggers is the first step in managing stress. Why something is troubling me? Why I am getting, one thought again and again in my brain? Is it because of stress or is it normal? That we have to actually find out first. Common triggers include work pressure, financial worries, and relationships conflicts. By recognizing these triggers, we can take proactive steps to address them. See, in our life, things will be there. There will be bills. Bills will come and you have to fill the bills, the payment you have to do. There will be your children demanding. You have to do, you have to listen to your husband. You have to listen to others also. At your workplace, at your home, ladies have to do double duty, isn't it? So it is important that how to cope up with such, such a schedule and how to work properly. See, 24 hours will remain 24, but there is lots of work, so we have to cope up with that. So now we have to start with the effective stress management techniques. There are various techniques for managing stress, such as meditation, exercise, and deep breathing. These techniques help us to calm our brain and relax our body. So, first of all, I will teach you one exercise which all you must do. Please switch on your cameras so that I can teach you. Supposing you are in a big stress and then you have to close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Your hand. First, we'll start with the hands. So, clench your fist tight and release. Again, clench your fist and release. Then clench your arms. You will find tightness. Yes. Then release. Then clench your feet hard. Release. And clench your legs and release. Then you have to clench your face like this. All, everyone. Yes. Now slowly open your eyes. You will find the relaxation. I hope it has worked for you people. Little bit. Thank you, ma'am. So, promoting a sense of well-being and balance. We have to do such exercise. Whenever you feel tired, so I request to everyone, please practice this exercise. Now we can see that this spa is also important. Some of us, we go for spa and there we are relaxing ourselves. Another activity I will be showing you right now. Just a moment. It is the box breathing exercise. It is taking little bit of time. In this breathing,
There are times when we all experience feelings of stress or anxiety.
is it audible?
In these moments, you can use your breath.
Dear educators, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
To help calm those feelings. Box breathing is a simple relaxation technique that can help you reset your breath and return to its normal rhythm. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Box breathing can help reduce stress and improve mood. It can also help with controlling and managing emotions. It's very easy to learn. Imagine
Now we will all do
breathing
this
around a
exercise
box.
together. See, there is a box. First, we have to inhale in 5 counts, then hold for 5 counts, then release for 5 counts, and after that, hold again before breathing 5 counts. So let us do it together.
Inhale as you visualize going up one side of the box,
5.
gradually filling your lungs
Now
with
hold.
air. When you reach the top, hold your breath for 1 to 5 seconds as you picture going across the top of the box.
Till 5.
Exhale gradually
exhale.
as you imagine
2,
traveling
3,
down the
4,
other side of the
5.
box.
Now hold again.
Pause again for 1 to 5 seconds
3.
as you go along the bottom
5.
of the box.
Now inhale again.
Then repeat. This can be done 7 to 10 times in a row, focusing on the breath.
Should we do it
If you
again?
can do it sitting down,
Educators, was it okay or should we do it again? Should we do it again? Along with me. So take a deep breath in count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale again. So like that. So otherwise we are doing the other exercises along below. That time we breathe and then exhale. Then breathe again. And in between we hold. Okay. In this, before inhaling also, you have to hold for 5 seconds, 5 counts. Okay, dear. Now we have stress management now techniques, which are the important ones we will be discussing. So time management is very important. See, why do we get stressed? Because we think that this work I have to do this time, quickly I have to do, which one I will do first, which will I prioritize first, and how I will manage. So it is better that the important works, which are very, very important for you, you do them first, so that you can manage the other ones also. Plus, as in the beginning of the webinar, it was told by one of us, one of the educators told that she listens to music. So we all know that our favorite songs we can listen whenever we are stressed for at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then it will be okay with us. Then we can start our work again. It happens. Supposing you are working in the kitchen and you have at your brain also that you have to wash the clothes also. So it so happens that in the kitchen you are standing for half an hour. After that, change your place. When you change your place, then it so happens that you get the energy again. And then that energy removes the stress from your brain. Plus therapy, as I have told you, therapy like this spa therapy, people go for go to their getting the body massaged and all that. That is also over there in spa. Exercises, like this is very important. See, everything we are doing in our life, all the things we are managing in school also, in our home also, with our children, with our husband, with our other relatives. But do we get time for exercise? How many of us are doing exercise? Please speak. You are
Myself,
doing
ma'am.
daily.
I do.
Okay.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
do,
Daily I'll do.
you do yoga every day?
Yes, ma'am. I do yoga and exercise for 45 minutes.
Very nice, very nice. That's why I saw you. You are very much interested in this webinar. Thank you very much. See, it is always there that gym is near my house only, but I am so lazy I cannot go. It happens. So that laziness we have to remove from our brain, and we have to do the exercise because our body is a temple, isn't it? The more we worship it, the more we will be benefited. We will be blessed. So it is important that we must do exercise. Then we are coming to hobby. You can have one, hobby. How, can we discuss about the hobbies which you people are following?
Now
Anybody?
I'm started myself regenerating by practicing drawing and painting. I started
Wow, that is very
myself.
wonderful. That you are sketching also. Some people do gardening still. Like with the busy schedule, you can spend some time in nature.
Long dream that I started now to.
Okay, that is very nice. And then we come to meditation. Now, see, everybody is saying that I have stress, but how many of us are meditating? Do you know the technique of meditation? You don't know. So, simple technique I can tell you is like one name, any one name of God which you want to chant in your brain. Okay, transcendental meditation. So, close your eyes and repeat that word. Supposing it is Om, with of course like this, or you can make your hands figure like this and keep it on your lap, and then close your eyes and say Om. Om. This you should not speak loudly. You should say in your mind only, in your brain. Om. Then you can say that whenever I am repeating this word, what is happening is different thoughts are coming in my brain. Yes or no? Yes. So it is not meditation is not stopping of the all the thoughts, but meditation is let the thoughts come because it is the work of the mind. Mind will not stop, right? So let the thoughts come. As soon as the thought they are coming in your brain, let them go after some time. They will go at their own, and again you chant Om, Om, Om. Any other word which you want to say, that also. And yoga, very, very important. As our Prime Minister has also said that whatever will happen, that will happen. Jo bhi hoga, yoga se hi hoga. Isn't it? So it is very important for us. Now, one more thing that we have to learn, that is building resilience. Now, developing resilience is very important for coping up with the stress. We have to be very, very consistent in our work. Supposing we have started some work, we cannot leave it in between. We have to definitely do it with full dedication and devotion. Resilient individuals can adapt to adversity. Supposing you have the capability, you know how to manage your time, you know how to do your exercise, you know how to relax your brain. See, prayer is very important. Prayer is a way of meditation itself. When you are praying in the morning to God, then it is happening that you are releasing all your tension. You are fresh in front of God and you are just praying. So, that person who has made his routine like that, getting up early in the morning, doing the prayers, doing the exercise, then going to the work and coming back and listening to all the people at home. So it is important that you have to be very resistant in your work. Cultivating resilience involves fostering a positive outlook and seeking social support. So people are also supporting you when you are persistent in your work, when you have developed resilience in yourself, then everybody and everything will follow for you, with you positively. Positivity will definitely follow in your life. One technique I am telling, that it so happens that something has happened in the morning. I had some argument with my husband in the morning, and then that is going on. So before going to your workplace, if you have any plant, tell the plant about that this has happened. Okay, before leaving the house. So leaving the thought there only and going to your workplace. When you will go to your workplace, your brain will be free and you will be able to dedicate yourself to your work rather than thinking what happened in the morning. Okay, and when you come back, it is important that that time also you say whatever has happened to that plant, to that tree, and then enter your house. So then you will be feeling very happy and relaxed. Any doubts till now?
No, ma'am.
There is one music I want you people to hear. That is called handpan music. I hope it works. Just a minute. It is opening. For meditation, you can listen to the singing bowl music. You can listen to the handpan music. Yes. Very relaxing music. I hope it is audible. Dear educators. Thank you. You can close your eyes and listen to it. Very soothing. This instrument, you will find that it is a new instrument, but very soothing. So that was the music. Plus, you people can even go for listening to the singing bowl music also. Singing bowl music is also very relaxing for doing meditation. Plus, now we have to have a nice balance between our work life. That also is important. Balancing work and personal life is crucial for managing stress. Setting boundaries prioritizing tasks, and taking regular breaks. Regular breaks are important, isn't it? When continuously for 4 hours you are teaching, then you really want one free period for yourself, isn't it? Then you feel really now rejuvenated, and now I can go and take another class. Yes. So can help prevent burnout and promote a healthier lifestyle. So that is now empowerment through stress management. Mastering stress empowers individuals to take control of their well-being by implementing effective strategies. Individuals can enhance their quality of life and achieve a greater sense of balance and fulfillment. That is all. I think whatever the techniques I have shared with you, they will help you in your life, and then you people all will be enjoying yourself, your work, your family, your relationship, and it will not, the stress will not lead to any of the physical diseases like like high blood pressure, diabetes, and all that. That will not occur in your life at all, and you people will enjoy yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you. And dear educators, anything you want to know or ask? So, Rita ma'am, you love violin, is it?
Yes, ma'am. I like music of all types.
All types music. That is very,
Whether I understand the language or not, but I enjoy it.
yeah, that is very okay.
Ma'am, it was a wonderful session.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the
Because
stress busters are gone.
stress is gone.
Stress
It
is
means it
gone.
is a success, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other thing anybody wants to
Or
ask?
ma'am, it was very interesting.
It
It's
was
very
very
interesting.
interesting.
Happy
Very
to
light, ma'am.
be
Purnima
part
ma'am,
of
are you
it.
saying something?
Yes, ma'am, that's what I'm telling. It is very interesting. I'm very happy to be part of this session.
Yes, ma'am. So
Especially
please
that
continue. Anytime you can note my phone number. Anytime you
And
need any other technique, I will share with you.
handpan music was
really,
very good.
Handpan music is new
I'm
because we
very
are
happy
too
by
used to
listening
knowing
that music.
like flute music and other instruments, but handpan is new. I think people don't hear it normally. But for stress buster, it is important. You feel so
Yes,
relaxed.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is some beautiful music tunes are there that, morning times, if you listen to that, only with the flute, only with the water flowing,
Water,
and
yes, water sound is also
that
very
is,
pleasant.
that gives a lot.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your number.
Number 9300
Yes, ma'am.
930095
Go through that. Very, very pleasant.
951434. Should I write?
1434.
Should I
The
write?
same one every time we do that same link only, no, ma'am, certificate.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank
And
you.
written my number here also. No, not 8.
Sir will come.
9395. 95. It is not 85.